good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Mercy. Can you introduce yourself for?
Hello, good afternoon. Mrs. Olatoyin Popola, but popularly called Tasty Affair. Thanks a lot of times. Thank God in all area of my life. I thank God in all area. In all area. I can't say one, but multiple. So God has been good. Alhamdulillah.
Would you like tell us about your business?
I'm a caterer. I do indoor and outdoor services, and I do daily food as well here.
Do you do home delivery?
Yes, we do.
If they want to reach you, how can they get?
We're situated in New Road here in Ijebode, but we will go anywhere. We do delivery in Lagos. We do tray food anywhere. First name is within the southwest here. We deliver food. We go out for catering services as well. So
Okay.
we go anywhere.
Okay.
Anywhere our services is needed. We are always available. 080 9464 1164.
009464 1164. Okay.
WhatsApp number.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.